Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, it's Rutaba. How are you all? Today we are going to color on Woodpecker. So let's draw and color the Woodpecker together. Woodpecker lives in forest and woodlands. They are known as the loudest birds in the forest. Woodpecker digs the holes on trees. Are you guys enjoying to know about the woodpecker and coloring with me? I love coloring and painting. Do you? Look how Woodpecker is seeing us. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना।